I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to stay updated on your transactions with Barclays, enabling alerts can be a great way to keep track. Here is how to set them up. Step 1. Log into your online banking. Visit the Barclays website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Make sure you are using a secure network. Step 2. Navigate to alert settings. Once logged in, find the account settings or alert section in the main menu. This is typically located in the top navigation bar. Step 3. Choose alert preferences. In the alert section, select the types of alerts you want to receive, such as transaction notifications, balance updates, or payment reminders. Step 4. Set up delivery method. Decide how you want to receive these alerts via email, SMS, or push notifications through the Barclays app. Make sure your contact information is up to date. Step 5. Save your changes. After selecting your preferences and delivery method, don't forget to save your changes. You might see a confirmation screen to ensure everything is set correctly. Now you're all set to receive alerts for your transactions. If you run into any issues, double check your contact information or try refreshing the page. Happy banking!